Hi friends, I have a huge clock in front of me, and this is an analog clock. An analog clock has hands on it. A digital clock has the actual numbers on it. An analog clock has the hands. The very short hand, the little tiny hand, that's the hour hand. The super long hand, that's the minute hand. So when we're thinking about o'clock is when the minute hand is on the 0 or on the 12. So right now we know it's 2 o'clock. If we brought this all the way around again, it lands on the 12 or the 0. Now it's 3 o'clock. And now it's 4 o'clock. Now it's 5 o'clock. Remember, can you see how every time I start with saying what the hour is, I don't say it's 12:05. We always do the hour sign first. Now what if I have this here? I have both of them pointing down. Right now it is 6:30. I know it's 6:30 because the minute hand is pointing to the 6. But let me explain to you why it's 6:30. So do you see the numbers here? Each of these numbers stands for 5. So if I start at 12, which is 0, I would do 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that's why it's 6:30, because each minute, each number stands for 5. So let's count again. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. One more time. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's 6:30. Now if I go all the way around again and I stop at the 6, let's see, where is our hand? It's almost at the 7, so it's 7:30. Now, hour hand first, 8:30. One more time. Now it's 9:30. Again, we know it's 30 because if we start here, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now what I would like to introduce to you is going by 15 minutes. So do you remember how when we were just counting, we were doing 0, 5, 10, 15? If we ever stop here, it's called a quarter past. So if I go here, it is 9 o'clock. So it's 9:00. But if I move this to 5, 10, 15, it is a quarter past 9. So look at the hour hand. It's a little past 9. So it's a quarter past 9. 9 already happened. It's already gone. We already went past 9. So we were at 9, and now it is 9:15, or quarter past 9. So if I have the 9 here, it would be 9:15, or quarter past 9 o'clock. Let's try again. Let's go to 9:15. 9 o'clock, 9:05, 9:10, 9:15. Because if we go 5, 10, 15, it is 9:15. So, ready? 5, 10, 15. It is 9:15. 20, 25, 30. We already did these, right? So it would be 9:30, or half past 9. Because again, did we go past 9 already? It's been done. 9:30 is done. We're over 9:30. We passed 9 o'clock and now we're at 9:30. So it is half past because look, this is a line halfway through our circle. So it's half past. Now we are at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now we're going to get a little crazy. Now we're going to do a quarter until. 5, 10, 15. But we want to start at 9 o'clock. So let's try again. 9 o'clock, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So right now it is 9:45 or quarter until 10. Why is it quarter until 10 instead of quarter until 9? We've been talking about 9. Did you notice this? Let's try again. Let's try again at 9. Watch the hour hand as I go to quarter until 10. Do you see something? Do you see anything? Let's try one more time. Watch this hour hand. The hour hand is a small hand. Watch the hour hand while I move the clock. If you guessed it, it moves. This, just because I'm moving the minute hand, means the hour hand is moving too, but it's not moving as fast. It's moving pretty slow. But now, if you can see, the hour hand is a lot closer to 10 o'clock than it was before. We start here. Look how close the hour hand is to 9. It's right there. But now, it's so close to 10. Look, it's almost at 10. It's just barely there. So it's a quarter until 10. And now, if I go here, it's 10 o'clock. Now, so it's 10 o'clock. Now let's go to 10:15. 5, 10, 15. So right now, it is 10:15 or quarter past 10. $10, 15, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now it's at 10:30 or half past 10 o'clock because 10 o'clock already happened. 10 o'clock already happened, so it's past 10 o'clock. Now, with our tricky one, now we're going to bring our minute hand all the way up to 45. And now, is the hour hand closer to 11 or 10? Let's check again. At 10 o'clock, the hour hand is right on 10. At 10:15, the hour hand is a little bit farther away. At 10:30, the hour hand's about in the middle between 10 and 11. But now at 10:45, it's so close to 11, so close. But it's not there yet. So, it's 10:45 or a quarter until 11 because if you look at this hand, it's so much closer to 11 than it is to 10. If we look here, our hour hand's still pretty close to 10. If we go back to 10:15, wow, that hour hands are really close to 10. So it's quarter past 10. Now it's half past 10. And now it's quarter until 11. So close to 11. It's so close. Not there yet, but so close. And now, dun-dun-dun, it's 11 o'clock. So it's 11:00. Let's do one last time. Let's see if we can do this fast. Ready? So it's 11 o'clock. Now, 5, 10, 15, 11, 15, 20, 25, 30, 11, 30, 35, 40, 45, 11, 45, 50, 55, 60, not 60, now it's going to be 0 again, so now it's 12 o'clock. Let's see if we can do this again. 12:15, 12:30, 12:45, 1 o'clock. Ready? Let's do it again. 1:15, 1:30, 1:45, 2 o'clock. Let's see if we can go even faster. 2:30. Whoa! You guys didn't catch me. 2:15. So 2 o'clock. 2:15. 2:30. 2:45. 3 o'clock. 3:15. 3:30. 3:45. 5 o'clock. Or 4 o'clock. The 4 is crazy. So again, when I say quarter past, it's a 15. When I say half past, it is 30. And quarter until, it's 45. Now let's see if I can do this. 5:15. 5:30. 5:45. 6 o'clock. All right, friends. If I have 15 minutes, it's quarter past. If I have 30 minutes, it's half past. If I have 45 minutes, it's quarter until. And if you don't remember these things, and you can't remember what the 3 means, or the 6, or the 9, we remember that the 12 is a 0. And then we can do 12 or 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. You want to say 60, but it's 0. Let's try one more. Let's try 2 more times and see how fast we can go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, but it's 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, but it's 0. All right, friends, I hope this explained this to you. And if you need any sort of help, please reach out to me.